One product to stop playing hide and seek in the box. So let's measure the right way. How to measure the product size? Let's do it. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to grab a pen, a scale, and the paper. That's it. Right? So we're gonna make sure how to gonna measure these products. So first of all, the hardest part is the diameter. So what do you need to do? Just place the bottles on the paper and just point out the one side, right, and the other side. Okay. So we're gonna measure it like this. So that's approximately 1 inch, right, and 1.02, right? Let's make sure if this is a correct diameter or not, right? I have a vernier caliper to check, right? So let's say 0, remove the 0 error. Okay, open, and here we go. So that's the diameter. It's approximately 1 inch. So that means this is us, right? And the second way is the height. That's the easiest part. You already know that. So here we go. And one more thing, that if you can measure the packaging yourself, it's very easy. All you need to do is just add 2 mm as a margin on each side, length, width, and height, so you can get the exact product size. So here's the packaging for that. We made it for 3 products for these, right? So let me show you that. And here we go. We just got the product sizes and we made it accordingly. So here we can see it's not swimming in the box. It's fit perfectly. Thank you very much.